All right, so here is a solution for question 17, day 6 and 7. This is the part B exercises. It says there are 3 points A, B, and C that are collinear, such that B is the midpoint of AC. Let O be any non-collinear point. Prove that OA plus OC equals 2OB. So this diagram does look a little bit different than theirs. There's a slanted more to the right, but the question does say for any point O. So it's going to work the exact same. And I'm going to do this algebraically, so it doesn't even matter what the diagram looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite vector OA as a combination of other vectors. So I'm going to rewrite this as OB plus BA. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for vector OC. So I can rewrite OC as OB plus BC. And I guess that I should have been a little bit more clear here. I can't move it. I'm going to do left side, right side here. This should have said left side up here. We're going to ignore that. So now I can continue on. I do have some like terms here. I've got 2OB, and this is exactly what I want on the right-hand side, but I do also have some extra information here. I've got this BA and this BC, but I know that point B is the midpoint of AC, and I know that they're collinear, so BA plus BC is the 0 vector. So you don't need to write this. I'm just writing it in so you can see. What I have done here is I have proved that left side equals right side.